deals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
How long does it take to tackle a home project? With Angie, you could cross it off your list before this ad is over. Just tell us what you need. Indoor or outdoor, repair or redesign, and we handle the rest, sending a top pro to get it done. You don't have to lift a finger, except to tap the screen or click the mouse. Plus, Angie is free to use, so bring us your next home project, and we'll bring it home. Download the app or go to Angie.com, that's ANGI.com, to get started.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
When I got my first real apartment, I decided to invest in a good mattress. No more futons for me. Sleep World had lots of quality options I could afford, which is great because I use it for everything. Desk, dining table, sofa. I'd call that a good investment.
Daylight savings time is a great reminder to rotate your mattress or replace it and save up to $600 on select mattresses at Mancini Sleep World. Find your perfect night's sleep at any one of our Bay Area locations or visit sleepworld.com.
Make a difference as a nurse at Vitas Healthcare and earn a lump sum payout after your first year. With our new Difference Maker program, team members who care for patients at the bedside will be rewarded for their commitment with a lump sum payout after they reach their 1-year anniversary. Eligible positions include RNs, admissions RNs, LPNs, LVNs, and team managers. To earn your lump sum payout after your first year, apply today at careers.vitas.com.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans, the new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
It's Joe Shasky from the Morning Roast. And if you're an independent restaurateur or are starting a brand new business, then you gotta know about my friends at Trimark. Trimark, making independent restaurateurs' dreams come true in Northern California for over 55 years. Whether you're designing your next restaurant or you need equipment and supplies, this is where Trimark comes in. They do it all. And what's most important to them is being a partner to the business customers. Visit TrimarkWest.com. That's TrimarkWest.com.
I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this.
Start seeing savings today. The fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines on your available 5-year pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Google Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Always on the run? Power Market has everything you need right around the corner. Snacks, hot foods, drinks, grocery, and free coffee on Wednesdays. Power Market is your local neighborhood market, known for being the area's most friendly and clean. As a Power Market Rewards member, get 5 cents off every gallon of gas with the purchase of any 2 Fiji waters. Download the Power Market app and sign up today. Power Market. Open early, open late.
The following is an attorney advertisement. If you get sidelined by a workplace injury, the workers' compensation attorneys at Boxer and Durson can help get you back in the game. Our team of skilled attorneys will fight by your side for the treatment and compensation you deserve. We care about justice for injured workers. That's what makes us Northern California's premier workers' comp law firm. Call Boxer and Durson at 510-345-2341 or visit boxerlaw.com for a free consultation. Boxer and Durson, your life is worth the fight.
As a homeowner, adding an ADU is one of the smartest investments you can make. Hi, I'm Kamal the Builder from SFB ADU. We specialize in ADU design and construction. From permits to construction, we are your one-stop shop. Visit sfbaedu.com or call us at 408-461-9956. Right now, we are offering a 20% discount off your ADU design for the first 10 callers. Call 408-461-9956. That's 408-461-9956 for a 20% discount.
Able to run on traditional Republican things, which is low taxes, family values, tough on crime. How was he able to do that?
And let's remember, in 2018, he won by a very thin margin. It wasn't like he was coming in with 20 points of support, right? So he had to grow his voter base. And, again, he's not running against, some no-name candidates. Stacey Abrams is going after him again. I think it's crime. I think what he did during COVID, he heard a couple of people in that previous segment talk about how he kept businesses open for as long as possible. That made a difference. People noticed that, and now he's being rewarded.
Yeah, people definitely have this personal connection with it. I even saw that when I was on the road when, President Donald Trump got him a challenger. And the voters in Georgia kept saying, we know Kemp. We know he did this for me. When you have that personal touch, it matters. Speaking of President Trump, I think he's going to run. This is what he had to say. Watch.
We're going to win in 24. We're taking back that beautiful house. I'm not going to say it right now. I promise you, in the very next, very, very, very short period of time, you're going to be so happy, okay? You're going to be so happy. Very, very soon. You're going to be surprised at how soon.
So this was tonight. I'm not going to announce if I'm going to run, but I'm going back to take back the White House in 2024.
Yeah, well, first of all, we have an election coming up in about 3 days, so let's keep our focus on that. If you're the president or folks talking about 2024, no matter who you are, and number two, look, this is not going to be a cakewalk, whether you're President Trump or anybody else. I think people, whether it's Ron DeSantis or other people, are going to get in, and they need to earn it. This won't be given to anybody, and I think very much so, no matter who it is, we need to keep the focus on Joe Biden. We can't talk about past elections. We can't talk about 2020. Talk about what Joe Biden did and what he's doing to wreck our country, and that'll put us in a position to win.
But is Donald Trump still the leader of the Republican Party?
Look, as of right now, we have a lot of good leaders. We'll see who runs. But I think come 2022, in about 3 days, we're going to have a lot of new leaders in the Republican Party as well, whether you look at, again, somebody like Herschel Walker or other people who are going to get elected, maybe even Caroline Leavitt.
Listen, I'm watching it all, and I'm going to be right back on the campaign trail talking with the voters, and I normally get a sense for who they're going to grow with. Matt, thank you so much for joining the program. So coming up, Oprah. Democrats are hoping Oprah can help tip the scales in their favor for the Pennsylvania Senate race. But their obsession with celebrity endorsements may be their downfall.
I'm Karen McHugh. With less than 2 days till the midterms, candidates across the country are trying to get their messages heard. This New Hampshire Republican explains why she's running for Congress.
2 years ago, we had a secure border. Now we have a wide open border. Fentanyl is plaguing our communities here in New Hampshire. Inflation was 2%. Now it's 8.2%.
Caroline Leavitt on Fox and Friends Weekend. Weather watchers are keeping tabs on an Atlantic storm that could prove to be a problem later in the week.
We are also watching this disturbances down just around areas of Puerto Rico that we think is going to be some sort of a hybrid storm that is going to bring some impacts to the coastal areas of Florida sometime maybe Wednesday, but it's also going to bring very windy conditions and rough surf all up and down the eastern seaboard. So we're going to be watching for that, potentially getting some sort of a named system that could be impacting Florida, say Wednesday into Thursday.
Fox meteorologist Rick Brightmute. America is listening to Fox News.
It all started with the brutal murder of a young married couple. Now, more than 40 years after the couple was found, investigators and forensic genealogists are cracking the case wide open to uncover a stunning second mystery.
Where's the baby?
I said, well, wait, he had a baby?
We cross the country speaking with victims' families and those close to the case as we ask, what about Holly?
I just want to know what happened.
Available on foxnewspodcasts.com and wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.
Get all of your favorite Fox News podcasts commercial-free on Apple Podcasts with Fox News Podcasts Plus. From Dana Perino, Kennedy, Ben Domenech, The Duffys, and many more. Subscribe now by going to foxnewspodcasts.com.